What do you think?
So, who's gonna lose their hand today?
So, I got no today.
It actually starts to hurt.
Oh.
Just keep the conversation going, guys. Get your minds off of it. Get your minds off it, guys.
Butterflies, pretty butterflies.
You know, I wonder what would happen if you cut off circulation.
Oh, cool. Now it's no mean.
It hurts. I'm done.
Okay, all of us put our hands in there and see who will win.
I think Ryan will win.
Cooper, you might as well just give it up.
He's got
He has
sunburn
like
and
no
everything.
nerves in his body that turn cold.
Your hand's gonna fall off and it's gonna shatter.
My hand is vibrating right now.